In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your audio from this. This is what it sounds like without the trick that I'm gonna show you right now. To sound like professional recording audio like this. This is what professional recorded audio sounds like without needing to buy expensive equipment like this, or even this. All that you will need is two smartphones, one for the audio, one for the video, some tape, and that's it. Let's jump right into it. So what you will do is take the smartphone that you will record the audio on, put in the headset there, then put two parts of tape, one below the microphone, one on top of the microphone line, and then you attach it beneath your clothes as close as possible to your mouth. Let's go outside and record the audio. Once you press start recording and to hide your smartphone, you need to give a loud slap like this. And this will help you to sync up the audio in the post-production. Now whether you edit on your smartphone or computer, import the smartphone video and audio on the timeline, look for a wave spike in the audio and pull your audio in sync there. Delete the audio for a smartphone used for the video and voila! Clean, beautiful audio. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe. And please let us know in the comments below what topics you want us to discuss next.